Dill is a super healthy vegetable. In ancient China, there were many records about the medicinal value of dill.
According to the medicinal book 日华子诸家本草 from the Song Dynasty before 1048,
Dill can tonify the kidneys,
dispel cold, and regulate stomach bloating.
Modern research has revealed that dill is rich in nutrients such as folate, vitamin C, and minerals like manganese, cobalt, and iron. Additionally, dill contains an important anti-inflammatory phytonutrient called anisole,
which can help prevent cardiovascular disease and has anti-cancer properties.
To make dill fried rice,
you will need simple ingredients:
eggs, dill, and pre-cooked rice. Chop the washed dill into small pieces.
Crack the eggs and beat the eggs until the whites and yolks are fully incorporated. Heat the wok with high heat. Add oil. Swirl the wok. Let oil cover the wok. This prevents sticking. When the oil is smoking, pour the eggs in and mix it really well. Break up large pieces of egg. Add the pre-cooked rice. Break up the large pieces of rice. Here is the special tips. If you want your fried rice to have separate grains, make sure the pre-cooked rice is cold before frying.
Add the chopped dill and continue stir frying.
Season with salt, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir it again. Once everything is well mixed, turn off the heat and add a small pieces of butter. Just stir it around and let the leftover heat do the melting.
Now you can enjoy your favorite dill fried rice. Just give it a try and bon appetit.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, then you can see more videos about healthy combined tasting.